Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall.
Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla day here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone alright. Manners and respect, you see. Alright, now, in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media. And I think that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might have seen one or maybe all of these videos that I'm about to present to you. But these videos are being talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I am presenting these videos to you. Alright? Now, in the first video that I'm going to present to you, you're going to hear a man asking a man certain questions, and you're going to hear when a man replied to certain questions that a man asked him, viewers and subscribers. Now, I think it would be best for you, my viewers and subscribers, to look and listen to this video for yourself. And after I present this video to you, I'm going to explain certain things about another video that I saw on social media. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe.
Who's in here?
Larry. Larry.
And who's Larry to you?
Larry is my boyfriend.
So, Larry sent you here for what?
To pick up a car that license insured in my name.
In your name. Okay, and what about the bike?
He sent me to pick it up to it. It's already licensed insured in my name as well.
So, where Larry work?
National Revenue Agency, I already tell you.
What him do there?
He is the manage. He manage everything, work, everything. He responds to all of the work. He manage all work in the Jamaica.
On the road and them thing there.
Road work, all work.
Okay. And where you live?
1.5 years.
And where your father live?
Steve Street.
We're in Stephen Street. Yeah, National. Okay. What is your name again? You don't have any form of identification on you?
No, I don't want with any ID or anything, but if you need it, I'll go for it.
That's fine.
Did you hear the things that he said in the video, viewers and subscribers? Did you hear his replies to those questions that someone asked him? Anyways, so the first time when I saw that video, I wondered how the man end up in a situation where someone asked him certain questions, viewers and subscribers. So I wondered what happened. You see? Anyways, I saw another video on social media that shows the same man, but in that video, the man was in handcuffs. And in my point of view, it seems as if the man was upset based on some things that I saw and heard in that video. See? Now, in that video that I'm talking about, the man said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that Larry F-word him and said that it's forever. I don't want to cuss no bad word, that's why I'm saying F-word my people, but on a real note, see, it seems as if the man who was asking the man certain questions and another person who I could hear in the other video didn't really trust the man who you can see sitting in the chair, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, so, you know, I look at the video and I wonder if the man was telling the truth or if he have some form of mental health issues, viewers and subscribers. I'm wondering, I'm not saying, you see me? But anyways, the video has been talked about on social media and you can let me know what you think, alright? I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between two men. Now, in my point of view, I think that those two men were arguing about Christianity and other things as well, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, in the video, one of those men said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that there is no F word in heaven. You see me? I don't want to curse any bad word. You see it? So that's why I'm going to say it like that. But anyways, more I take a look at this video and tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. And please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video. So viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe. Tell me what you think.
David. Fuck David and Solomon and the whole of them. And them. You and them.
This is the old title.
Oh, for wicked? What me do? For wicked? What me do for wicked? Every day you rob the people. Every day you rob people. And then you say, me wicked, I mean I rob nobody. You see all the time? Every day you tell the nation lie. Every day you talk to God church and go tell lie. Forget the people and money. And you not do nothing, you not sin, you not. You got heaven, you're perfect. Yes, nasty. Go on for me, man. Yes, sir. Go on for me. Yes, sir. Go on, man. You know no sense. So, yes, sir. And you are Christians. And you people where is them? Yes, sir. You don't evil. And you people where evil. Go on for you, man. You don't know when you're you know astrology. Well, you know astrology. You know astrology. You know astrology. No. Let's get straight now.
Real.
You know astrology.
Thing get real, I know.
You take about heaven. And you don't know astrology. Shut up when you hear me talk. Tell me some you don't believe. So you don't talk when you hear me talk. Shut up. Man. Don't talk when you hear me talk. Shut up and listen.
But people, one of those men sound like they not believe in a certain things, none at all, you know, people. Yeah, man, one of them sound like, you know, to believe in a certain things at all, you know. I don't really and truly want to say anything that sounds as if I'm bashing any of those persons who I can hear arguing with each other in the video viewers and subscribers. But it's when it comes on to a person's religion or a person's faith, don't be too quick to disrespect it and judge it and say certain things bad about it. You see me? It's best to try and understand that person and try and compare the things that the person said to your beliefs. You see me I say? Because at the end of the day, you might be surprised to know that each and every one with their beliefs and religion might be right. Might be. Maybe each and every one's religion somehow are connected. You see me I say, my people? So that's why me is the kind of person I try to keep an open mind when it comes on to a person's religion and beliefs and faith. You see me? But anyways, you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. You can tell me if you think any of those persons said anything wrong, or if you believe that any of those persons said some things that are just facts. You see me I say? Yeah, let me know what you think. Alright, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show when a person uses an object to cut a part of a female undergarment and found something in a part of the female undergarment. That's what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers. And in my point of view, it seems as if the person was trying to bring some form of awareness when the person made this video. That's what I'm saying to you. Now, some people might call that type of female undergarment a bra, and some persons might call the type of female undergarment that you can see in the video another type of name. It depends on which country that you're living in or the country that you're from, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Anyways, I want to look at this video and tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. See, you can tell me what you think those things are that you can see in the female undergarment in the video that I'm about to present to you. Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Hello everyone, I just saw this thing on Facebook last night talking. This lady was showing her bra and showing the ladies that how we get breast cancer. They're putting things in the bra to give us breast cancer. This is the first incision that I made in my bra. I was kind of curious, so I made this. First is cut, and then there's wet stuff started coming out. So I was like, what the hell? So I say, okay, I'm going to cut my bra more open, and as I cut it more open, this is what I found in my bra. And I was like, oh my god, this is unbelievable. So I haven't cut the other side as yet, so I'm going to cut it to see. And here we go. Mind, this is a bra that I bought from overseas. This is my personal bra. Here I am cutting the other side, and I'm going to lift. As you can see, here is the other side. And I'm like, and this stuff is in our women's padded bras. So ladies, please, I'm advising you, I'm frightened no hell right now to see this kind of stuff. And this is a bra I don't wear that often, and just today I was actually reminded about, you know, this padded bra, you know, stuff inside of it. So I actually felt mine, and I was like, okay, when I go home I'll take it off and look at it, and this is what I found. So this is one that's I just opened in front of you guys. See it? So please ladies, check y'all bras and just be safe and be careful out there.
Alright, now my people, I think I've seen this video before. I think so. And I think I've seen at least one other video where a female talk about female undergarment in a similar way. To every female out there still, you know, it's good to know what you're putting on your skin. Yeah man, it's good to know what you're putting on your skin. You have people out there who are allergic to certain types of things. You see me I say, like if certain things touch them skin, them can break out in a rash and all them things there. And I'm talking about even a certain type of cloth and all them things there. You see me I say, my people, yeah man, you have silicones, you have types of materials we use make shoes and all different type of things. So it's good to know what you're putting on your body, and it's good to know where you put inside your body too as well. You see me I say, yeah man. So to each and every females out there, you know, if you get some form of information that certain things can cause a certain harm to your body, it's good to do your research. See, because when it comes down to some of the things that the female said in that video, I did some research and I found articles online about female undergarments. See, but in my point of view, those articles do not give the same alleged information. I'm going to say alleged, you see. Yeah, in my point of view, those articles that I read don't sound the same. So I'm not going to tell you some of the things that I read in those articles, and the next thing may I give you wrong and or misleading information. You see me? So I'm just going to leave it right here. So alright, but big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall